Suck my cock, bitch. Why? That's my bed. Hey, bitch. Suck my cock. Suck it good. She fucking hung up on me.
Do. Wait.
Hold on, let me do another one.
You can prank call Albert.
No, I don't want to prank call him. 301.
Who's that?
51. I'm calling Darlene.
Did you vlog it?
Yeah.
Hi, this is the little girl. What do you want me to say?
I'm scared. I'm looking for my mom. Is it recording?
It's recording?
Yes.
Call again. I'll stop recording.